retro button. That's it. Cool. So keep them this way, I'll tell you when to hit that throttle.
Yep.
Alrighty, one, that right.
All good? Cheers. Welcome, and today it's 9/11, 11th of September. It's my birthday, so we are going on a jet ski tour because Ines decided to offer me in my birthday. You'll not see a lot of vlogging today because I'm just showing you what we are doing, but we are gonna have plenty of fun, so you'll see how beautiful Airlie is. So I hope you enjoyed. I just decided to buy some boxers and the t-shirt that you just saw because it's very good. Looks awesome, and it's just like $7. What the... Well, we're back home. I've just been to Macca's, how they call it here, like Macca's to McDonald's, and I'm trying to win a car. I don't think I will win a car, but anyways, we are heading in like 15 minutes to the jet ski tour. So yeah, I think this is the last time you see me talking to you because the next clips will be insane. I hope so. You are watching, not me. But don't forget, leave a like and subscribe because you can help me at least like a present in my birthday. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you that my other gift that Ines gave it to me was this one. As you probably already saw it, I'm very dedicated to my stuff. So this is one of probably my favorite books because there is nobody better than David Goggins to motivate me and to still doing my stuff and trying to be better every single day. So yeah. Best book ever.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Those that need the bus, we'll organise some bus runs up the top. Otherwise, yeah, that's it from me. Go enjoy some beers and yeah, have a good one. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much.
Well, basically we just arrived home again and we are going out for dinner. But yeah, thank you so much for everything, Airlie. Thank you so much for everything, Australia. This is the dream come true. But now it's time to go for dinner. I don't know where or what we're gonna eat, but the day so far has been very good. So let's have some good dinner as well because we deserve it to sometimes have this kind of luxuries. First of all, just so you all know, I'm a simple man. So for me the simplest things are the best. So what we decided was going to Domino's because we just love the brownies they have, the lava cake they have. And Ines bought some candles and we are gonna put here to celebrate my birthday. This is enough for me, so. Today is the 9/11, my birthday. 2024, I'm 28 years old right now. We will see in 2 years where we are. Hopefully, still doing some YouTube videos. Much success, and not here in the bus stop. So hopefully everything goes like I want to go, and I will leave the testimony here for the future. See you next time, as always, next week.